This python is killing a cow. Send help now!
All right, it's on the ground floor. Weapons free, let's move.
Right, pull tight on my command.
Steady, lads, she's still thrashing.
Get the cow clear!
It's alive! The serum works! We've done it! Look! It's waking up!
It's alive!
Land! A huge python is killing a cow! Send help now!
Do we understand, load each other's send?
Yes, sir. Please stay calm. We're sending a unit immediately.
Sierra Oscar, we have a confirmed hostage situation underway. Time is critical. Proceed immediately.
Score lights.
Look at this, Britain. It's already in motion. We need to act fast.
Push it hard now, keep it coming.
Watch the side, it's caught.
We're clear, get inside.
Go, go, go! Clear! Move out!
Control air support here. We have visual on the incident. Requesting ground assistance for animal recovery.
Move, move, move! Get to the target! Cover on the right flank!
Move! Leave the animal! Get back now!
All right, lads, keep it low and spread wide.
Copy that. Watching the verge on the left.
Right, pull tight on my command.
Steady, lads, she's still thrashing.
Get the cow clear!
Hold the net steady. Don't let it get loose. Pull tighter on the left side.
Yes. We finally did it! It's leaving for good.
It's all right, easy now.
Okay, I've got the bandages ready.
It's okay, girl. You're doing great.
Looks stable now, vitals are good. Easy now, you're doing great.
All right, team, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Lifting smoothly, watch the ramp.
All right, clear the bay. They're bringing in the golden retriever.
I have the gurney ready.
Let's move quickly.
Okay, easy now. Watch the step here.
We're clear on the left, Doctor.
She's doing great. Almost inside, big girl.
Watch the corner! Keep steady!
Steady now. Slide towards me. All right, secure the straps and monitor vitals closely.
How are her vitals looking, Doc?
Stable for now, she's doing well. Easy, girl, we're almost there.
Well done, everyone! She's all right.